Hi there, and welcome to NFORS Analytics Basics. I have a short video for you today, and we're just talking about how we can move things around on the dashboard, specifically visualizations, and how to resize those and delete them if we need to. Maybe there's some information on there that's just not relevant to you or that your organization doesn't capture that's in the stock dashboard. We'll get right to it. To do this, I'll just need admin rights for the dashboard. You'll know you have admin rights if you have this edit option up here. So if I click on edit, you're going to see all my visualizations are now going to have this little gear icon. The gear icon lets us just change some settings in that. So we'll talk about real quick what those are. If I click on the gear icon, I can inspect the data that's being used there. I can edit the visualization directly if I need to change the background of what the visualization is doing. If I need to change the actual visualization and what it's tabulating, I can customize the panel. Maybe I don't want number of incidents here. I just want to say incidents. This doesn't change the name of the visualization. It just changes the name of what's visible. Now I've set that back to incidents. If I click here on the icon, so now that I've customized the panel, I can go full screen if I wanted to look at this visualization really large, or I can delete it from the dashboard. We want to keep our incidents, but that's the options that we have here for this gear icon. If I want to resize anything, I can do that too. If I come over here, the bottom right-hand corner, you can see I can change the size and it brings the formatting up. Maybe I want to make this a little bit bigger because I want to expand my map. So if I come over here, bottom right-hand corner, you'll see this that little arrow right there. Just above the arrow, I can click on that and expand, and now I can resize my map, move it around, and maybe change the resizing of the map. Let's scroll down just a little bit more. We'll come down, say here to this area here in classification. You can see this organization has incidents by category and by type, but they don't have a subtype. So this visualization is not applicable to them. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. All I do is click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and delete from dashboard. Now I can move these around a little bit. Maybe I want to expand this now since this is one of only two that are visible here. So can take up and kind of move my real estate. See, if I go too large, it's going to take it off the screen. But I can resize these however I'd like them to be. Maybe this guy's just a little too big. So we'll go ahead and resize that one down, and we can move it over a little bit if we need to. Now that I've made those changes, I just need to save my work, right? Just like every other kind of software you use, you have to save what you do. So if we come all the way back up here to the top, I just hit the save icon. I could save this as a new dashboard. I would just need to rename it and then click on this icon. I can store the time, put any pertinent information in, and lastly, just hit confirm save. Now that I've done this, we'll see the gear icons have gone away. I get this notification down here in the corner that says it was saved. And that's it. We've resized a few things. I encourage you to goof around with your dashboards and move some stuff around, get it to fit your organizational needs and tell your story. And as always, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's step-by-step instructions on how to do this in PDF format. Thanks and have a great day.